How to change text message background on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the settings application on your device over here. As you tap on that, you just have to scroll down and tap on the option of display over here. So tap on display, and as you do that, you can see there are two options of the color schemes over here, either the light mode or the dark mode. So the light mode is generally the default mode that has been set on the device. Now if you want to change the text message background, what you can simply do is tap on the dark mode, and as you tap on dark mode, your text message background has been changed to dark mode and it looks more classy over here. Now if you do not want the dark mode, you can just switch it to light mode, which is the default mode as well. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.